go, guys. It's time to tear this KTM300 XCW TPI torn down, get this thing going into trike form. So we haven't really done a lot of the newer two-stroke trikes, but it's definitely time we get the kits going for this year and this chassis. Pretty excited for you guys to see this thing when it's done. If you guys like two-strokes, check out the Husky three-wheeler that we actually built, which was a two-stroke, but for us it's good to finally get to a KTM and show you guys what we can do with these. So we actually have 450, the 300, and a 500 that we're doing for KTM builds coming up. So you guys definitely, if you're a KTM fan, you definitely want to stay tuned to the channel. There's going to be a bunch of KTM content coming up here shortly. If you guys haven't seen this bike up close, it is pretty trick. Really nice job. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Did on these. It's just cool seeing the anodized accent pieces. Of course, the brick discard, the hubs are anodized. It's pretty crazy. They even did the nipples for the spokes right here. Super nice bike. Triples are awesome. Super clean. Anyway, guys, we're gonna switch to a time lapse. This is part one of this build, and Artie's gonna get this thing torn down. We're gonna get everything wrapped up. All the parts are gonna be going back to our customer, and when next time he sees the bike in person, it's gonna be a three-wheeler. So stay tuned, guys. If there's any good anodizers from the Tucson, maybe Phoenix area, let us know. We'd love to send our clamps out and try to match this exact color. That's pretty cool. Gotta love KTM quality though. KTM and all their wiring that they shove under the seat. It's like this on every KTM build. It's cool to see the automotive style plugs on here. Definitely super thin. We also got the dual seat post mount on here. Battery sits back here, so we'll be recreating all the mounts for this stuff and just basically keeping it roughly in the same spot right under the seat. And we'll obviously be doing our own intake on here too. There's no way any of this will work on a three-wheeler. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. This thing is torn down to the point of converting it to a trike. So stay tuned. We're going to get the triple clamps machine, the swing arm belt and fabricated, welded, of course the subframe, and get this thing back on the ground as a three-wheeler, and then we'll go from there.